CRM and activities. So when you enter the system and look at my activities, this is a list of the do activities or potentially follow-up activities that you need to turn your attention to. So in this case here, we have the client Bank of Scotland. I'm talking to John Simth, and the last thing I wrote was that I need to follow up on our meeting. Down here you can see any previous activities, kind of as a list of all of the activities that has been taking place. And when you want, you can then create a new activity from here, or you can use the button to create the next activity. Create the next activity would allow you to set the previous one as done, so that's kind of nice. So notice how it always selects the current client that you're on, the contact. Should there be more contacts, you can choose another one. You can also create a new contact from the button over here. You can relate this activity to a type of activity, could be a follow-up or a meeting or whatnot. And then you can set the date for that activity to have been taking place, or you can set a future date for when you want to have your reminder on this activity. And then of course you have the ability to export this to your calendar. Please notice that this requires that your system has been set up to communicate with your calendar. You can set who is currently responsible. It could be you or could be somebody else in the company. You could set what company this activity belongs to, should you have multiple companies in your system. And then you can relate this activity also to be related to a specific pipeline that you're working on. In the activity text, you will write notes around what it is that you need to do. We need to give John a call. And you can also put in various tags should you would like to search for it later using tags. You can set this activity as done if it has already been done. If not, we'll leave it open, and if you click OK, you can then see that a new activity is related now to your activities list to give John a call.